Most of us have no clue what we want to do with our lives. Even after we finish school, even after we get a job, even after we're making money, it's a struggle almost every adult goes through. What do I want to do with my life? What am I passionate about? What do I not suck at? I even receive emails from people in their 40s and 50s and 60s who still have no clue what they want to do with themselves. Here are two strange questions you can ask yourself to find out. What makes you forget to eat? We've all had that experience where we get so wrapped up in something that minutes turn into hours and hours turn into "holy crap, I forgot to have dinner." Supposedly, in his prime, Isaac Newton's mother had to regularly come in and remind him to eat because he would go entire days so absorbed in his work that he would forget. Think what it is for you. Maybe it's organizing things efficiently, or getting lost in a fantasy world, or teaching somebody something, or solving technical problems. Whatever it is, don't just look at the activities that keep you up all night, but look at the cognitive principles behind those activities that excite you, because they can easily be applied elsewhere. How are you going to save the world? In case you haven't seen the news lately, the world has a few problems. And by a few problems, what I really mean is everything is screwed up and we're all going to die. So pick a problem and start saving the world. There are plenty to choose from. Our screwed up education systems, economic development, domestic violence, mental health care, governmental corruption. Find a problem you care about and start solving it. Obviously, you're not going to fix the world's problems by yourself, but you can contribute and make a difference. And that feeling of making a difference is ultimately what's most important for your own happiness and fulfillment. There is a great visualization guide that will help you discover a specific way of how you can help make this world a better place. It's just 6 minutes long, but you will experience the huge aha moment once you complete the visualization. You can download